really excited today because we've got our Gorymdaith y Gwanwyn event, Spring Promenade, which we've been preparing for quite a long time now. It's on Sul y Blodau, which is the Sunday before Easter. We've been working with our amazing volunteer teams, our sewing volunteers who've been helping to make costumes and flower crowns.
I was asked to come here to the National Trust Dinefwr property to work as an artist doing workshops and also making an egret costume for the parade. I did workshops with some LGBTQIA+ groups as well as the general community here at Dinefwr. We did a mix of different costume making inspired by the bird life here at Dinefwr, and we also made a giant puppet, which was really fun.
We really believe that tradition is something that is living and breathing and needs to be enlivened.
The event is for everyone in our community, but this year we've particularly focused on working with the LGBTQ+ community in our locality. We've worked with Paisley Randall Shillerbeer, who's brought together a beautiful LGBTQ+ choir. We're super excited to have the amazing Mari Ha performers here today.
Darn y waith dawns gyfoes ar gyfer yr awr agored yw Mari Ha. Fi'n hoff iawn o gymryd ystadoliaeth o'r traddodiadau gwirionol yma sy'n yng Nghymru, yn enwedig y traddodiad dawnsio gwerin. Mae'n gred cael bod mewn lle mor anhygoel i rannu'r gwaith hefyd, rhywle mor hynafol a hanesyddol, a cael dod ar gwaith sy'n delio gyda'r themau yna i rhywle fel hyn. Mae'n teimlo fel bod yn perthyn i'r tir.
One of the reasons we wanted to make this event really is to celebrate our Welsh culture here in Llandeilo and Dinefwr. This is a place seeped through with history.